I was just down.
Alright, it's New Year's. Now, what those do? Whoa, where am I? Ah, that looks scary. What do those do? Whoa, where am I? I'm in the sky? Huh? To see, I can't read. Whoop, I saw the Disney Castle. But I want to see some fireworks. There we go. Sky Island fireworks. Oh, there are the fireworks. Happy New Year 2025. I like this place. There's a bridge you ever go here. Hey guys, Logan here, and I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Happy 2025. And I go keep my channel growing and get a lot of subscribers and ideas for you guys. And also, you have to give me a shout out saying hashtag support Logan and support Logan the Red Hedgehog and support Logan Santis. And you can support me in my community posts. Alright, so, and also hashtag Logan vrchat. Alright, so don't forget to like, sub, and also follow me on Twitter. And also follow me on TikTok for vrchat and character AI. And also follow me on Instagram for real stuff here. And also join my Discord server. Links in the description box below. Alright guys, so this is Logan and signing out right now. Bye guys, and Happy New Year.